Hello everyone, welcome to DreamSpace Decor YouTube channel. So if you love peaceful, cozy and stylish homes, then you are in the right place. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest video full of modern homes, inspiration and relaxing room ideas. So today's video is all about a space we often forget to design properly, the TV unit wall. We watch movies here, we spend time with family. Here we relax after a long day in this space. So just imagine how beautiful your home can feel when your TV wall is designed with love and care. This is not just a wall to mount your television. It is the center of your living room. It is the place your eyes go first when you walk into the room. That is why today we will show you some beautiful, smart and elegant TV wall ideas that will completely change the way your room feels. Modern TV wall with lights. So just imagine this, a large wooden panel, simple and smooth with soft LED strip lights. Hidden behind the edges, the lights is warm and gentle, and it creates a soft glow around the TV. Below the TV there is a floating shelf, very chic. You can place your speakers, set-top box or even a few small plants. The whole area feels calm and modern, just like a hotel room. Marble panel TV. Now think about this, your TV is mounted on a beautiful marble wall. White, grey or even black marble add that touch of luxury. You can also add gold of metal lines to make it feel expensive, even it is done on a budget. The marble reflect light and gives the space a rich high-end look. Small space friendly TV unit. Not everyone has a big living room, right? So what if you have a small space? You can still design a smart TV wall using wall mounted cabinets, corner shelves and sliding box. This design saves space and also hide all the wires and remotes. Your room will look clean and more open. So just imagine a small room with a perfectly fitted TV on a soft pastel wall, one floating shelf and soft yellow lights glowing from the back. The room might be small but it will feel warm and peaceful. Traditional wooden TV unit. So if you like Indian traditional style, then curved wooden TV unit area still a beautiful option. Deep brown wood, brass handles and a rich natural texture give a classic feel. Add two lamps on the sides or place a big plant next to it. Your living room will feel both stylish at the same time. Minimal and clean TV wall. For people who love a simple lifestyle, a minimal TV setup is the best. So just think a plain white or light grey wall, a black flat screen TV and one floating shelf under it, might be one photo frame on the wall and a green plant on the floor. That is all. No noise, just peace. TV wall with wallpaper or texture. You can add also a wallpaper to highlight the TV area. Bricks style, wood finish, floral or geometric patterns. The choice is your. Wallpapers are easy to apply and totally transfer a plain wall into a design feature. Glass shelves and personal decor. Some people like decorate their TV wall with a personal touch. So just imagine glass shelves on both sides of your TV. You can keep small plants, candles, travel or photo frame. It adds personality and warmth to your space. It feels like your room is telling your story. Lighting makes all the difference. Lighting is everything. Soft LED strip behind the TV, small spotlights above the panel or even a hanging lamp on one side. These small lights create a beautiful atmosphere. So imagine turning off the main lights and watching your favorite movie, and the only lights in the room is the soft glow around your TV wall. It feels like your own mini theater. Family friendly setup. So if you have kids at home, make your TV unit child friendly. Use rounded corners, keep storage at lower levels, and maybe add some cushion or a small floor seating space. This way your family can enjoy time together comfortably and safely. Final thoughts. Your TV unit is not just for watching shows, it is a place where you relax, where you family spend time, where guests sit and talk. It should feel beautiful, peaceful, and welcoming. So just imagine your dream space with a soft color theme, glowing lights, simple decor, and TV wall that first your personality, whether you like modern, traditional, minimal, or artistic style. Your TV wall can reflect your taste. Thank you so much for watching this video from DreamSpace Decor. If you enjoy this TV unit ideas and room inspiration, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. You never miss our new uploads. We post relaxing and useful home decor video every day. Until next time, stay happy, stay peaceful, and keep decorating your dream space.